AIM Global question one-on-one with Jasmine De Luna. Question number 1. Mahirap ba ang networking?
Yes or no, mahirap. Actually, kung sasabihin kong mahirap ang networking, magpapaka-hypocrite ako. Kasi, pero in life naman, lahat naman na nagiging mahirap. Nagiging mahirap lang naman siya kasi hindi mo pa siya napapag-aralan. Correct ba? So meaning, halimbawa kung ikaw, nursery ka, 2 years old ka, pagbasahin kita ng DOG or what we call dog. Pagbasahin kita ng dog, pero wala kang alam sa ABC, hindi mo man lang alam kung paano magbilang. So, naturalmente, hindi mo siya mapag-gets. Hindi mo siya mag-gets, hindi mo siya maiintindihan. Pero ngayon, pinag-aralan mo na kung paano magbasa for how many years. Pagbasahin kita ng dog, walang problema. Chicken feed. Kasi, sobrang dali. Harry Potter ka or Twilight, iniisang araw, 3 araw. So, meaning, nagiging mahirap lang naman ang isang bagay kasi hindi mo ginawa yung part mo na pag-aralan siya. So, dapat dito sa AIM Global, it's never an overnight success to be rich here in AIM Global. Kaya nga sinasabi nila, this is a get-rich-quick scheme. No. It is an everyday decision to learn more. It is an everyday decision to grow more and to evolve more. And lalo-lalo na kasi here in AIM Global, you will get better along the way as long as you go on. And as long as you're willing to learn more, you will learn more. And then, when you learn, you don't have any choice but to earn. Remember that. So, you have to give your best. You have to invest on knowledge. You have to invest on trainings. May bayad man yun o hindi. Pag may bayad, may value yan. Tama ba? So, ang point ko rito, dapat pag-aralan. Kasi lahat naman ng nagiging mahirap, nagiging madali siya kapag alam mo na kung paano. Tama? So,